Scandinavian interior designing style is characterized by minimalism, simplicity, and functionality to give calm, pure, clean, and relaxing vibe. This style comes from Scandinavian countries like Sweden, Finland, Norway, Denmark. Therefore, they have long winters and few hours of sunlight. Therefore, the goal is to keep this space as light and as bright as possible. Natural shapes and abstractions are used to achieve the warm spaces. It is also ideal for the people who like tidy and elegant interiors. So let's see how you can achieve Scandinavian interior designing style in your homes. First things first, furniture. In this style, you have to use a lot of wood with very clean lines, tall legs, and smooth edges. You can use famous egg chair, leather bag sling chair, 7 chair, and DSW chair at your libraries and dining areas. Dramatic side tables with natural shapes and tall legs are go in this style. So let's see what textures can be used. For the wood colors, use natural beech, ash, and oak. For the fabrics, use leather, linen, cotton, wool, and sheepskin. So let's see what color palettes you can use in this style. Scandinavian style tries to make your space as bright as possible, so different shades of white works in this style. Grey and brown are the neutral colors. Black is the accent color that is commonly used. You can use yellow and blue also as an accent color. In modern Scandi style, blush pink, mint green, baby blue, soft grey, soft browns are used. The walls are always painted white. The goal is to use bright and light colors as it will cheer you up and keep you active all the time. Patterns are not so common in this style. If you want to use, you can use some geometric shapes and patterns. Window coverings. Generally, in this style, windows are left bare. If you want to use something, you can use blinds and cotton linen fabrics in your windows. Next, we are gonna see flooring. Wood. Make sure to use only wooden flooring, and in the washrooms, tiles are used. Rugs. Materials like cotton, sheepskin, and wool are incorporated as rugs and hair throws on sofa or chairs. So let's jump into the most important topic, lighting. Natural and artificial lighting are given equal priorities in Scandinavian style interiors. So, the pendant lights like branching chandeliers, large round paper lamps, chrome sconces, copper brass pendant lights are mostly seen in this style. Floor tripod lamps and table lamps of various shapes, size, and aesthetics are incorporated in Scandinavian designing style. When it comes to artwork, bright pieces, face artwork, and abstract paintings are used to give some value to the space. Now, my most favorite part, accessories. Indoor plants to feel green, and some mirrors to make your space look larger, some jute baskets, and some metallic work are likely to be seen in this style. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.